we came to this park that is very famous online, that says that it's highly recommended to come here. It's called the English Gardens. I'm not sure if that's what that means. As soon as we got here, this is the first sign that we see. The bathrooms are that way, toiletin or bathroom, an ATM. And then they have this little tiny house here where you can buy food. Ooh, this is a fast flowing river. Look at this. I bet in the summer this place gets packed. Everybody goes into this river. Look how clear it is. So nice. It's beautiful. Oh, it is cold. Ooh, but the water feels so good. I love the way it makes my skin feel. Wow. I love how it feels in my skin. I'm gonna touch it again. You know when you put your hands in water and it just feels like whatever, but this, for some reason when I put my hand in it, it feels so soft. I don't know, my hand feels soft. The water makes it feel good. That's nice. You are provided with a lot of shade. Look at this. It's like an umbrella tree all around, covering you from the sun. So we have decided to walk around the park, but we decided to just go straight down the river to see what else the river has to offer. Beautiful river in Germany, Munich. For whoever's watching this, if you guys thought that this was just a simple river, you know, with somewhat of a bluish color, think again. Look at this. This is in the city of Munich. Just a regular park. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Beautiful waterfall. Wow. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Let's get another angle. Look at the cute little ducks right there floating. They're so adorable. And it's so cool because it's like, you know, like a regular park, but it has this gorgeous river that you can come and swim, do water sports. I actually heard that you can do some surfing, like some car over all the way down there. There's like huge waves and like a big rock wave or something like that, and people surf. So there's like a huge wave in this park, and people do a lot of surfing.
Hey guys, so this is our hotel in Munich, Holiday Inn Express, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. I'll put up the price per night up here. Let's see, look nice. Big screen TV, nice big bed. Is this like a closet? I don't know what this leads to. Oh no, this is like one of those doors that don't really open. Let's see if we have some sort of view. I don't think so, no. There's no view. I think it's a very nice, decent sized room. This is like a, oh look, ironing board there and the iron right there. This is like a little closet if you want to put stuff in there. This is a lockbox. I don't know if it's like a lockbox or something. This is the bathroom. Can't find the light. One sec. There we go. It was on the outside. Okay, yeah, so this is the bathroom. It's nice and spacious with blow dryer. I like the sink. The shower looks nice. I like the tile. It's a really cool room. And it's spacious, which I like a lot.